Are you looking for the best car polisher for car detailing 2024? Here are my full reviews of the best car polisher for car detailing 2024. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for our future updates. Number 1. BLACK+DECKER Polisher, 6-inch, 2-handle grip, swappable wool or foam bonnets, 10-foot cord for easy mobility, WP900. If you don't want to spend a ton of money but still need a top-notch buffer for your vehicle, then the BLACK+DECKER 6 Random Orbit Waxer Polisher is an outstanding choice. While you'll need to invest in the buffing pads and compounds before you can use it, since you're getting the orbital buffer for such a great price, that's not a huge deal. Even with this lower price tag, it'll last year after year no matter how much you use it. However, it is a lower priced option, and that really shines through with the features. It only has one speed, and at 4,400 revolutions per minute, it's a little fast for finer applications. Moreover, it doesn't come with any chemicals, microfiber rags, or even buffing discs, so you'll need to make more purchases before you can use it. But at this price point, you're still getting a great deal, even without all those accessories. Number 2. Avid Power Buffer Polisher, 5-inch, 6-inch dual-action, DA Polisher for car detailing. Random Orbital Car Buffer Polisher Waxer Kit with 6 variable speed. With powerful motor and low noise, this Random Orbital Buffer Polisher is ideal for polishing and removing swirls, scratches, and defects from all painted vehicles, reappearing the shine of your car. It has lower risk of burning through the paint than rotary polisher. This car buffer polisher executes detailing job quickly and easily. Easy and safe for beginners, powerful enough for professionals. This polisher is less aggressive than rotary polisher, making it less likely to cause damage to the paint surface. 6-level variable speed dial allows you to control speed from 2700 to 6500 OPM. No load speed according to different applications. Low speed for waxing and buffing, medium speed for polishing and cleaning, high speed for removing paint defects and oxidation. Adjustable D-handle. Adjust to 5 positions provide you with comfortable grip. The rubberized body for non-slip control while in use. Never worry about your machine rolling off the table or falling off your detailing car. With 5 and 6 inches backing plates and pads, you can also use it on furniture, ceramic, wood and metal. Number 3. Avid Power Buffer Polisher, 6-inch dual-action, DA Polisher for car detailing. Random Orbital Car Buffer Polisher Waxer Kit with variable speed and 3. The Random Orbital Polisher is perfect for polishing, removing swirls, scratches, defect from all painted vehicles, so the vehicle shines. Further, you can also use the tool to sand wood or metal. The 6-speed control dial allows you to adjust the car polisher speed between 1500 to 6800 revolutions per minute, as per your usage. Namely, the low speed can be used for waxing, buffing, the medium speed for polishing, cleaning and the high speed for removing paint defects and oxidation. The adjustable handle and the rubberized body provides you with a comfortable grip and non-slip control, while in use, so that you do not have to worry about the buffing machine rolling off the table or falling off the detailing car. The car buffer machine is easy enough for beginners and powerful enough for professionals, so that even if you have a fleet of customers' cars to care for, the machine does the detailing job effortlessly. This car polisher is fairly easy to use as its dual-action random orbital motion ensures a swirl-free and burn-absent buffing result, delivers better performance than ordinary polishers. Number 4. VEVOR Cordless Buffer Polisher, 6-inch Random Orbital Polisher for cars, 6 variable speed 5200 RPM, with 1 PC 12 volts rechargeable battery, wireless polisher kit. Say bye to cords. Work more efficiently around the house, in the garage, or on the job site with a 6-inch cordless rotary polisher for car detailing. With its powerful 48W motor, you'll be amazed at the strength and low noise it delivers. Get rid of the trouble of dragging, yanking, and positioning cords. It's time to embrace the convenience of cordless freedom. Speed is on your side. Take control of your car polisher with the 6-level speed control. Ranging from 2700 to 5200 RPM, you have the flexibility to adjust the buffing machine according to your needs. Whether it's the low speed for gentle waxing and buffing, medium speed for thorough polishing and cleaning, or high speed for removing stubborn defects and oxidation, this orbital polisher has you covered. Never slow down. With just 1 hour of charging time, you'll have enough power for up to 25–55 minutes of continuous operation. Enjoy a fast and efficient car polishing experience without worrying about running out of juice. The ergonomic design is comfortable to hold and easy to carry, so you can take it with you wherever you go. Get ready to tackle your polishing projects in no time. Everything you want. This all-in-one kit includes 1 DA polisher, 4 foam pads, 1 wool pad, 1 bag, 1 battery 2.0 Ah, and a fast charger. No more searching for additional accessories, as the VEVOR car buffers and polishers kit has everything you need. Choose between 3 high-quality poo pads to match your desired finish, and work right out of the box. More than one way to work. This cordless buffer has a battery status reminder function in 3 colors of indicator lights. It turns green when the battery is fully charged and it will turn red when the battery needs to be charged. This versatile tool is perfect for polishing paint, removing swirls and scratches, restoring clarity to headlights, and more. Number 5. DeWalt 20V Max *XR Cordless Polisher, Rotary, Variable Speed, 7-inch, 180mm. Tool only. DCM 849B. Picking between Meguiar's Montana 300, Dual-Action Variable Speed Polisher and the DeWalt Buffer, Polisher Variable Speed was no easy choice. That's because the DeWalt Buffer, Polisher Variable Speed has a wide operating range that starts as low as 0 revolutions per minute and goes all the way up to 3,500 revolutions per minute. Just like the Meguiar's MT300, this DeWalt Buffer gives you professional quality results. Another huge perk for the DeWalt Buffer is that it comes with a 3-year warranty, so you know it will last no matter how much or how little you use it. It is a more expensive option though, but since you know you're not going to have to replace it anytime soon, we're alright spending a little more upfront. It's an extremely effective tool for both buffing and polishing, but the real reason it couldn't crack our top 3 is its lower maximum RPMs. While 3,500 revolutions per minute is high enough for most jobs, if you do find yourself needing a little more speed, the DeWalt Buffer simply can't keep up.